The nation's premier luxury dealership has arrived.
The all-new Planet Lincoln on Lovers and Lemon at Love Field.
The world's largest Lincoln facility with one of the most impressive selections. PlanetLincolnDallas.com. During these unprecedented times, caring for you, our customer, is top priority, exceeding every expectation with online appraisal and purchase. Personal concierge delivery of your new Lincoln directly to you, anywhere on the planet. Valet pickup and return for all your maintenance and service needs. And the peace of mind that every vehicle is thoroughly detailed and sanitized.
Experience the luxury you deserve.
PlanetLincolnDallas.com with exceptional offers from the flagship Lincoln Navigator to the stunning new $599 a month Aviator, where luxury is limitless. $349 on the award-winning Lincoln Nautilus, or $369 a month on the distinctive new Corsair.
The all-new Planet Lincoln at Love Field.
PlanetLincolnDallas.com.
The world's largest Lincoln facility, brand new at Lovers and Lemon.
Our ultimate expression of design and personal service.
PlanetLincolnDallas.com.